Hello guys, this is CA Vishal Jain, your faculty for CA CFA and SBR paper. Guys, over the past few days, I have received multiple messages from the students that sir, we need something that will cover the entire syllabus of ACCA but in very less span of time because the time for the exams is quite very less. So we want to cover everything but in the least possible time. So here I am announcing my ACCA FR crash course for March 2026 examinations, for which you have 45 days left. And if you take up this course, you can cover the entire ACCA FR syllabus in just 50 to 55 hours. Now, what exactly is the breakup of this 55 hours? What exactly I'll be providing you in this crash course? Okay, what are the resources which will be providing you? I'll talk about everything in depth. Watch this video till the end and also like the video and leave a comment as well. Okay, now let me talk about it. Guys, please understand. In my opinion, there are four pillars of scoring good marks in any exam, be it any FR, SBR or any paper. Okay, there are four pillars of it. The first pillar is the concept. So what I will be doing is, in this crash course, I'll be helping you revise the entire ACCA FR syllabus. So 20 hours of revision. Now in this revision, the best part of this revision is I'll be referring to the notes of my detailed batch itself, okay, which I will use and help you revise the entire concept in depth. I will help you in the revision of it. All the examples which I'll take in my detailed batch, I will take up here also. I'll show it to you. Just give me a minute. I'll show it to you. See, this is the revision. Here it is. See here. All the details, all the examples, all the concepts, and see the multiple examples to understand the concept, everything in depth explained through journal entries, through calculations, through ledger accounts, through preparation of extracts of the P&L, SOFP, right? Everything covered in depth. And not only this, we'll also identify, see, there are multiple examples. See, we'll also identify for each chapter, for each standard, we'll identify exam focus point. So these exam focus point are the mistakes made by the students in the past exam, or it is also a summary of the examiner report. Okay, so for each chapter I've identified that. I'll be discussing this also with you guys. So this will help you understand the entire concepts of ACCA FR. Okay, now is that all? No. We'll also cover around 35 hours of practice of section A, section B, section C. But now comes the question, sir, which book are you referring to? Kaplan, BPP, Study Hub, which book? So I'll tell you, none of the book. I'll be referring to this book. I'll be referring to these books. And you will get the hard copy of these books also. Now, how is this book made up of? So what I have done is, I have made, this book is nothing but a compiler. Okay, so I have taken up all the relevant questions, all the questions of BPP, Kaplan, Study Hub, everything in one place, okay, and whatever are the relevant questions, I have discussed all of them, literally all of them. I'll show it to you. Just give me a minute. See here. How many questions? Come see here, please. Total questions of property, plant, equipment is 21. And how many questions have I discussed in the class? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 21, 12 questions I have discussed also. Plus, apart from these questions, if you have query in any other question, that you can discuss with me as a query. Okay, so this is what you will get. Okay, so like this, you will get the practice of all the chapters for section A, for section B, for section C. And also for section C, you will be getting an analysis. I'll show it to you. Just give me a minute, please. See, analysis like this. What are the questions that has been tested in the past exams? Now, for preparation of individual financial statements, what are the questions available to us? And the questions highlighted in blue are the questions which you have to solve. Similarly, for group, the questions highlighted in blue is what you have to solve. The rest questions, if you have time, you can solve. If you don't have time, you can ignore. Similarly, for interpretation also, the questions highlighted in blue you have to solve. Okay, so what I've done is I've done the detailed analysis for each and everything. So this will cover, I believe this will cover the detailed preparation of practice also. Now what about mock test, sir? What about mock test? But before I go to mock test, I'll tell you these conceptual revisions will be done using this book. FR capsule book. See, a very thin book, right? Covering each and everything, everything is there. So if you refer to this book, you're not required to refer any other book, okay? Now, coming to mock test. So we will conduct 3 block-wise mock test plus 3 full-fledged mock test. Out of these three, one will be, out of these 3 mock tests, one will be your pre-exam mock for March 2026. Sir, will you be evaluating these papers also? So I'll tell you what is the approach which I take for evaluation. For all of these papers, okay, I will be conducting an evaluation session wherein I'll discuss these questions in the class, okay, and I'll be guiding you whether your answer is wrong or whether your answer is right. But in these tests, whenever you have a test question of interpretation of financial statements, that question I will be reviewing and sending a voice note of the personalized feedback specific to you. For all others, I will be conducting an evaluation session. Okay, conducting an evaluation session and guiding whether your answer is right or your answer is wrong. If your answer is wrong, how you can rectify the same. Okay, this is what we'll take in the mock test. Now, what will happen for mistakes? So ideally, mistakes, whatever you can do, okay, I have highlighted already as exam focus point in this capsule book you will get, okay, as I have shown also, I'll show it again. See, these are the mistakes for each chapter. I have highlighted that, okay. But apart from that, what I will be doing is I have done an analysis of the past 10 examiner reports. Okay, I have done an analysis of the past 10 examiner reports and compiled a list of all the mistakes that I'll be discussing with you. Okay, so you are not required to specifically go to examiner report and read it again. No, I have done that job. I have made the summary and I'll be discussing it with you. It will cover entire everything will be covered in this. Okay, now, so exam focus point plus examiner report, both are covered. Okay, so entire everything. So if you cover these things, there is nothing else you are required to focus on. Nothing else apart from this. You are not required to focus on anything else. This will cover the entire preparation of ACCA financial reporting paper. Okay, now if you wish to enroll in this batch, okay, you have to visit www.bbvirtualsglobal.com. Okay, the link for the batch I will give in the description box of this video. Okay, if you want any further details, you can call or WhatsApp to our team in this contact number. Okay, don't forget to add +91. If you want to discuss particularly with me, okay, see, understand, if you want to enroll, call on this batch. You can visit this one. If you want to discuss particularly with me for any guidance, you can call on this number or WhatsApp on this number. Particularly, you can WhatsApp on this number. This is my direct contact number. My personal number I'm giving. Okay, so you can call on this number as well. I believe I have given you all the details. About this batch. Now the resources which you'll be getting is these 3 books, the hard copy of these 3 books. You will get the hard copy of these 3 books. Okay, I believe I have given all the details. If you need any further details about the batch, you can comment in the chat box. Thank you guys. Bye bye.